Hello friends, welcome back to CP Tutorials. Today we are discussing code forces round 813, and in this video we will be discussing problem B of the same code forces round. So uh, for sponsorship part, coming to sponsorship part, this video is sponsored by Newton School. So you can watch the link in description box. So now moving back to question, but before moving I would like to I would like to request you that please watch my problem C video as well. I have used binary search on answer. This is very important concept, and many times I have been asked for various companies interview as well as coding round, and uh, this is, you can say that if you don't know that part, then interview or coding round solving that problem is very hard. So I would like to request you to please watch the video. It is lengthy video, but try to be with me for it is around 30 minutes video, and I have explained in detail using the problem, that is problem C. So please watch that video. So now coming back to this problem. So you will be given a number n, and you will have to create a permutation. So let's say n equal to 5. Then what is permutation? All the number between 1 to n must be present single time, right? At most, or what you can say, at least, no, equal to 1 time, right? So let's say you have n equal to 5, then permutation means this number in any order, right? 3 1 2 4 5, this is permutation. 5 4 3 2 1, it's another permutation, right? So you must know permutation, I know that. So I won't be wasting time on defining permutation. So now coming back to our main problem. So you have to create a permutation such that LCM of I comma AI summation, this would be maximum. This means that, let's say I am using one based indexing. So let's say one part I have taken 5 4 3 2 1. This was, let's say, considering this as our array. So this index is 1 2 3 4 5. Then we will have to take LCM of this index and value, right, and find the sum, and you will have to maximize it. What I will suggest to, how to proceed, I will suggest first generate all permutation, right? This is excellent question. It is asked many times in interview. You can find on LeetCode, GFG. So please try to solve this as prerequisite, you can say. This is not prerequisite exactly, but this will help you, like if you are preparing for placement or anything like internship placement. So you can expect this question, right? You will have to generate all permutation. Then next thing, there is something known as next permutation. This is STL, given by STL library, a standard template library in C++, right? Third, you must know how to find LCM. LCM is found using GCD. GCD, there is a function GCD, or you can write it your own GCD, right? So I will request you to do, but as in this video it is not necessary, but for your understanding I have suggested these three things. LCM you will need in this video, like, so let's say I have put 1 2 3 4 5, and let's say index is 1 2 3 4 5, right? Then what is LCM? 1 2 3 4 5, what will be sum? 15. 3 6 4 5, yeah, 15. So let's say a smaller example, let's say 1 2 3 will generate all permutation 1 3 2. Now 2 1 3 2 3 1 and 3 1 2 3 2 1. Let's say this is index 1, this is index 2, this is index 3. We'll have to find the LCM. LCM of 1 1 will be 1, 2 2 will be 2, 3 3 will be 3. Right? Again 1 1 1 3 2 6 2 3 6. 2 1 3 2 2 3 2 3 1 2 6 3 3 2 6 and finally 3 2 3. So if you find the sum, you will find what is maximum number here, 661. Now generate permutation for 1 2 3 and 4. And this is my index, so I'll be generating permutation for all these numbers. 1 2 3 4, then total how many permutation we will get? 4 factorial, that is 24. So better doing manually. I will show you code and you will try to code it yourself. Oh, sorry for that. So this is the permutation and this is sum of GCD written, right? So you can go through this one by one. So what you will get? Maximum number 2143, right? Maximum value is 12 12 and 4 28. Find some permutation 2143. This is the permutation I am getting, right? Now try to change with 5 and run the same code. There will be 120 permutation and our answer is 53, right? Maximum 53. So what I did, I have written brute force formula and checking manually. Brute force formula. From there I got idea that 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this array is giving me 6 5 3 4 1 2. This array is giving me better result. For every time if we swap between pairs, this will give. Sorry for the train came. So as you can see that if we swap it pairwise, then we are getting better result. Then how to write this brute force solution? So what I did, there is I created a function LCM. As you can see that, as we have to find LCM using GCD. These are GCD function and LCM function. So for that I will get GCD. What I did, I taken a variable and I have put it in array or vector, you can put it, and find all the permutation using next permutation. You must read next permutation and then try to find the sum, what is maximum sum and which which permutation is giving me that sum for variable n, and from there I got the idea that how our solution is, right? And why this will work? So let's say there is n and this is n minus 1. So if I put n minus 1 here, n, then we will get n into n minus 1 plus n into n minus 1. So if we maximize, we need to maximize it, and we are giving maximum value to maximum index. We have to find LCM of a comma b, like two number. So one is n, and if you give n minus 1 here, then what we will get? N into n minus 1. And for other LCM, there is index n minus 1 here. If I put n, then I will get n into n minus 1. So if we try to increase this number, then we will have to make bigger number as much as possible. So if let's say if you took except n minus 1, if you take n minus 3, then product will be n minus 3, and for n minus 3 if you take n, then this product you will get. So as you can see that n into n minus 1 2 times is greater than this n into n minus 3. So you can try. I don't remember what was the chapter name. There is a chapter for proving all these things. Don't remember, sorry. I will write it in comment. So you can check that. So it is pairwise, you have to swap. That will give you final answer. So hope that you like the video, and if you have liked, please write a comment that you have understood that. That will give me appreciation that you have appreciated me. That. So thank you very much for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.